How customizable are the automation sequences? So our automation sequences are not customizable because we have developers and an AI team that constantly upgrades and we're A/B testing. And so what you get is done for you, best in the industry automations. We love feedback though. I mean, that's how we keep making the CRM better. Is people are like, oh, can we get a contract automation? So when I move it to contracts, it automatically sends this out, and then can we get a follow-up sequence? Because a lot of people I send a contract to and then they never sign it. Okay, so now we build that contract. It's editable on your end. And then when you pull it to that contract, it sends it to the person. Then it follows up text, email, prompts you for a phone call, and tries to get that contract signed. So we build stuff like that for you. It's all built, consistently being upgraded, but you can't get in there and tinker around with it because we have a team of professionals that's doing that, and they get mad at me. I've let a couple people in, they're like, dude, stop. So I would love to, but what I will say and what they tell me to say is like, we're good at this. Let us do it. If they want something, we'll do it for them. So consider it done for you.